Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a jet ski rental business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Before we start a jet ski rental business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. If you want to start a travel and tourism business, you should think about renting out jet skis. A rental business can be very profitable for any new entrepreneur, especially if you don't want to deal with the difficulties of manufacturing goods. If you live near a beach where people ski for fun or for sports, you should think about starting your own jet ski rental business. If you choose a suitable location and use good management practices, you can make a lot of money from this line of business with little effort. During the summer, the jet ski rental business is all about renting jet skis to beachgoers. This company makes money by renting jet skis to people over the age of 16 on an hourly basis. So, if you have enough passion, you might want to try your hand at this business. The jet ski rental business can only be limited to a specific geographical area, which is why, before starting this type of business, you must ensure that you are in a location where this type of business thrives, i.e., near a beach. Step 1. Research the industry. A jet ski rental business is a very promising one with a lot of room for growth. All you need to start this business is a popular coastal location, a thorough understanding of jet ski maintenance and operation, and knowledge of some dependable jet skis. Other minor difficulties arise as a result of doing business. Obtaining an appropriate business license, finding the right location, keeping your costs low, and so on are some of the challenges. Because you will need to start with a fleet of jet skis, starting a jet ski rental business is quite expensive. Jet skis are expensive to purchase, maintain, and retain. A new jet ski can cost anywhere from $2,500 to $10,000, depending on the brand and model, whereas a used jet ski can cost half that amount. You should also set aside some money for repairs and to ensure that the machine works properly. The financial performance of the jet ski rental business is directly influenced by customer preferences and income. The national economy has a direct impact on business. This company struggled during the recession as demand for jet skis plummeted and recovered slowly. The rise in oil prices also has a significant impact on jet ski demand. This is because the cost of operating the personal watercraft rises as the price of gasoline rises. Step 2. Market research and feasibility studies. Tourists and travelers who want to spend time on the water are the demographic and psychographic compositions of those who require the services of a jet ski. It is also a mode of water transportation. Others who may require the services of a jet ski rental company include the working class, young adults, senior citizens, and anyone who can afford to hire the services of a jet ski rental company. Step 3. Determine which niche to focus on. The jet ski rental business industry's niches are closely related because they all have to do with ensuring customers move from one location to another on the water. The following are some of the areas of specialization in the jet ski rental business. 1. Transportation services. 2. Personalized services. 3. Business services. 4. Recreational and other related services. Offering more than one niche ensures that you will not be left behind by competitors, who may gain more customers by offering more areas of specialization. It is not easy to start a jet ski rental business. The personal watercraft required to start the business requires a significant investment. You would need money not only to rent personal watercraft, but also to maintain them and hire people to help you run the business. While small jet ski rental companies may find it easy to compete with smaller jet ski rental companies, competing with larger jet ski rental companies may be difficult. Building relationships with local customers and partnering with medium or larger scale jet ski rental companies are your best bets for success as a small and startup jet ski rental company. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a jet ski rental business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.